Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Working on the Mercedes here, W211. This is a E-Class, guys, from 2003 all the way to 2009. And the thing starts and dies. Okay, it's gonna start and die. You can see. So we're going to diagnose the problem and see what's wrong with that thing. It's so chaotic. Sometimes it will start for a longer time, sometimes it won't start at all. So we need to figure out what it is. One thing could be crankshaft position sensor, but those, when they start going out, sometimes they will sometimes work, sometimes don't, so it could be that. But we're gonna check easier things first. Obviously it's getting spark when it runs because it starts, you know, so it needs spark, but it sounds like it's running out of fuel in our case. You can hear it, you know, and if it gets a little bit of fuel, it starts again. So this is the fuel rail right here on those. So I'm going to remove that cap here, and we want to see if we have any pressure in it. If it's hot, don't do that, because you can set the car on fire if it sprays on a hot exhaust or something like that. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the fuel system, don't experiment. Okay, and we don't have any pressure at all there. Look at that, we removed even the needle. There is absolutely no pressure in the fuel system. And we should have a pretty good amount of pressure there, so the fuel injectors can work. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the key on. Okay, and when you turn the key on, it activates the fuel pump, so you should get pressure, which should shoot fuel pretty good through that opening now that we have. Nothing at all. So let me show you now, guys. Another thing, so most likely it's fuel related. So now, if you turn your key on and off, okay, like that, you'll be able to hear the fuel pump. It's underneath the vehicle. Actually, it's in the fuel tank. But if I go underneath, you'll be able to hear it. Okay, you can hear it. So, fuel pump is working. So, in our case, guys, it's a fuel pump filter. It's plugged up, but what's bad about it is that the fuel filter is part of the sender unit in the fuel tank with the fuel pump, so you have to replace the whole thing. It's in the fuel tank. We have a video how to do that if you need it. So what we do, don't do it unless you're really experienced with cars, but we're just going to add a little bit of fuel in the intake and see if it's going to start. Okay, fired right up, guys, you can see. So as long as it has fuel, it's running. And now it starts running out of fuel. Listen now, in a little bit. And it dies, that's it. So it sounds like a fuel filter to us. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.